Yeah, welcome back, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. It is your boy again, Jerry Graphic. Today, I'm going to show you how you can design a roast of banner using your smartphone and Pixellab as usual. And also, we are going to do the mock-up on the same Pixellab using perspective tools. Kindly stay calm and see how we can achieve this possible on this tutorial. Without wasting much of our time, if this is your first time or visit this channel, please do well to click on that red button, subscribe to the channel, and do well to turn on the notification bell, put it on all, so that as we drop a new tutorial, you will always be notified. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, we need to determine the image size that we're going to use. Alright, the weight is 640 640, where the height is 1280. Now the next thing that I'm going to do now, I want to change this background. Let's change this background. I want to change the background to this color, or let's make it white first. Later on we can change it. The next thing that we're going to do now, I want to bring out the shape, then change the color to something like this. I hope you are seeing good. Then span the shape, let it size this background very well. Just do something like this. Cool. Then position it at the center. We need to change this background so that we can see it clear. Cool. Now the next thing that we're going to do now, I want to make use of visa. Okay, let's log this. Sorry, let's log this. I want to make use of these tones, then increase the size, then mark it, then let's give it a stroke, make it 40, then give it this color. Let's change the color to white, then mark it, rotate it like this, then increase it a bit, position it at this top. We are going to make use of erase and then mask. We are going to mask it as well. Just position it here like this. The next thing that we're going to do now is to merge these two together, and then go to your erase the white color. Cool. The next thing that we're going to do now is to go to our mask. We are going to mask this out, then come here, reduce the size, mark it, then move it up like this. Hope you see what I'm doing. Then come back here, then move it like this. Make sure it does not touch the second one. I hope you are following. Cool. Then do the same thing to this side as well. Let's shift this back a bit like this. Okay. Then take this one like this. Take this one out as well. Let's work on this again. Cool. Having done that, mark it. Then we are going to duplicate it again and then take it out. Duplicate it. Then go to your same mask. Then take it out. Cool. As you can see, we have achieved something already. Then let's reduce the size of this top one. We are going to reduce the size of this a bit like this. Okay, yes, cool. Then come to this second one, bring it down. I want to space it. There is something that I want to put there at the middle. Just space it like this. I think like this should be okay. Cool. I haven't done that. Let's lock the two let's just lock it. The next thing that I want to do now is to change the color of this one, this particular one. Change the color of this to white. There is something that I want to add up there. Then go to your resource. It will drop on the description. Okay, you will download for free and make use of it. There is a particular resource that I want to use, star. I want to use star. uh, cool. Then reduce the size, reduce the size, take it little, Haven't done that, go to your opacity, reduce your opacity, make it 7. Let's make it 8 so that it can be viewed a bit. 10 is okay. Then duplicate this, just be duplicating it, and then just place it wherever you want it to, be, but make sure you just within this white shape. Okay, so place it, duplicate again, just place it anywhere you want to place it, duplicate again. Okay, cool. Sorry. Cool. Let's bring one down and think this should be okay. We can go with this. Cool. Haven't done that. Let's bring out our logo. Sorry. Let's bring out our logo. Let's reduce the size and make it a little. Make something like this. Then give it the color of this background, which is this. Then take it up. Cool. Haven't done that. Let's bring out our first typography. Just go to your text. I want to make it for a saloon. Okay. Let's see, beauty saloon. Then come here, change the color to the color of this down shape like this. Then let's give it a font. There is a font that I just used recently. I want to make use of it. Then go to your spacing, just space it a bit, and then padding it as well a bit so that the end will comes out. Then reduce the size. Cool. Having done that, the next thing that we're going to do now, let's duplicate this. Then tab get your text line here. Then change the fonts of this. I don't want to use the same font, just change it to anyone that you want. No, I don't want to use more than 3 fonts here. Let's go with this. Then bring it down like this. Reduce the size as well so that it can be fitting. Cool. Let's lock this. Let's lock this. Cool. Having done that, I want to bring out the shape. Then reduce the radius. Let's say make the radius 60. Cool. Then place it here like this. Cool. I think this should be okay. Like this should be okay. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do now, we're going to make use of texture. Alright, so just go to your texture. That is a particular image that I want to use. That is the image that I want to use. Then just open it, make it 115. I think that this should be okay. Then let's give it a stroke. Give it a stroke of this down shape. Just give it a stroke. Then make it 5. Should be okay. Let's make it 7. Let's keep it at 7. Then take this to the back. Let it be at the back of this. Bring this one. Cool. Bring it down a bit like this. Should be okay. The next thing that we're going to do now, I want to bring out another image, which is this. Then let's reduce the size and then make it a little like this. Cool. Then go to your eraser. Go to your eraser. Then make this one 100. Make this one also 100. Then just erase the downside like this. Then mark it. Cool. Having done that, let's bring out another shape. Then reduce the radius as well. Just you can make it 50, either 60, anyhow you want it to be. Then give it a color. Let's go with this. Then position it here like this. We are going to list out our services. Just place it here like this. Let's shape this a bit. Let's reduce the size a bit because we have a lot of things to do here. Shift it like this. Cool. Position this one as well. Cool. Having done that, the next thing we're going to do now, we are going to bring out the text. Let's say our services. Our services. Then give it a font. That is a font that I used recently. Cool. Then reduce the size so that it can fit on this shape. Cool. Having done that, bold it. Go to your letter B. Just bold it so that it can be viewed. Good. Now the next thing that we're going to do now, we're going to bring out the what we render. All right. Go to your text. Let's say we provide okay. Let's say we provide a variety of services or service for the purpose. Let's say of the purpose for the purpose of let's say improving health, beauty, and relaxing. Relaxation, let's say relaxation through personal care. Cool. All right, having done that, let's give it a font. Then change the color to black. Go to your space, go to your line space. Just space the line a bit like this. Let's make use of our ruler. Then shift it up a bit. Let it be close to our services. Cool. Having done that, the next thing that we're going to do now, we're going to bring out the WhatsApp CR code. I have screenshot my WhatsApp code already. Just crop it. Cool. Then let's give it a stroke. We are going to give it a stroke of this downshift, which is black, and then let's make it 5, either 6 should be okay. Then reduce the size. Let's make it 5. Then place it down here. Cool. Having done that, the next thing that we're going to do now, we are going to bring out another shape. Alright guys, so we're going to bring out a shape. Just turn the radius to 100. Just make the radius to 100. Then we are going to make use of texture. Go to your texture. There is an image that I want to use. Um okay, let's go with this. No. Let's go with this. Cool. Then give it a stroke. Just make it 5 should be okay. Then reduce the size. Position it here like this. Let's make use of our ruler. Make sure it's on the line. Cool. Having done that, the next thing that we're going to do now, we're going to bring out another shape. Turn the radius to 100. Then go to your texture again. Let's import the second image. Let's import the second image. Cool. Then give it the same stroke, the same color. Then make it 5 as well. Then position it there. Let's bring it down a bit. Cool. Let's bring another shape. Go to your texture again. Let's import the last image, which is this. Then make this 130. Let's make it 145. Then give it a stroke as well. The same color, then make it 5. Reduce the size. Cool. Having done that, we are going to bring out, there is one text that I want to place it on top again. Let's see, beauty salon. Then let's give it a font. Let's give it a font. Um, let's go with this. Okay, let's go with this. Then go to your gradient. Go to your gradient. I hope you guys see how I did it. Alright, just click here, then choose the color that you want to choose. Then you just place it there. So that's how I actually achieve this. Okay. Then go to your enlightenment. Keep it at the center. Increase the size. Make it bigger like this. Then place it here like this. Go to your line space, bring it closer to each other like this. Do something like this. Cool. Then place it here at the top of this our service. Just let it be there. The next thing that we're going to do now, we are going to put the name of the services of this image that we place at the downside. All right, let's say the first one, let's say treatment, right? Let's say facial. Okay, then bring it down like this. Just make use of this so that it can be faster. Just bring it down. Then let's give it a font. Let's give it a font. Let's give it this amazing font. This should be okay. Cool. Then reduce the size. Let's make use of our ruler so that it will be on the same line. Okay. Cool. Having done that, duplicate it. The next one that we are going to tab now is nail camel. Cool. Then bring it down, position it at that image place like this. Then let's reduce the size, it's too big. Cool. Duplicate it again, massage, then place it under the image. Cool. Now that you have let's log this. Sorry. Let's log this. Now that we have been able to achieve this, we need to write a little bit something about these services. All right. Let's start with this function. Okay. Let's just see with our service. Okay. Let's say with our function, it helps let's say it helps clear close storage, and then let's put comma, which and remove that cell, that um that cell. Cool. Like this should be okay. Let's go with something like this. Then give it a font. Remember, you will not use more than 3 fonts. Okay, let's use this. We have made use of this particular font before. That is why I'm still going for it. Then let's make the size a little bit like this. Then let's make use of the ruler so that all will be in one line. Place it under this like this. Then duplicate this one. Let's write something about the nail as well. Now let's just say get into let's say get into holiday spirit with a mighty fresh money. We need to add up something. Okay, let's say here all the candy canning name. Okay, name inspiration. Let's say inspiration you will need, you will ever need. Let's say you will ever need. Full stop. Then bring it down here, position it here like this. Cool. Having done that, let's duplicate it again and write something about massage as well. Okay, let's just write a little something. Let's just say we give a full body massage works in your in your entire, let's say, entire body, from top to toe. Then put full stop. Let's add a little bit something. We make, let's say, we make use a range, of, sorry, a range of different movements. Then click OK. Just place it here like this. Cool. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do now, we're going to bring out, um let's say, let's bring out another say, let's say amazing service. Just let's capitalize the first letter, service. Okay, then let's give it a font. Let's go with this particular font. Then come to your B, bold it like this, then increase the size, make it big so that it will be like the headline of this part. Make it like this. Cool. Having done that, let's lock all this. Lock it. The next thing that we're going to do now, we're going to give them the keyword on how they can reach. Okay, let's just see, get in touch. Get in touch. Okay, and then let's give it a form. Let's give it the same form that we just used now. Then bring it down, space it a bit, don't make them to be together. Then position it at the center of this like this. Then bring out the phone number of the brand, depending on your country, right? This is Nigeria. Let's start +234, then blah blah blah. Okay, let's just give it a font. Then let's change the color. Change the color to this yellow. Then let's bold it. Cool. Let's increase the size to be more bigger than this. Let's reduce this one. There is something I want to write on this down step again. That is why I'm adjusting it like this. Having done that, the next thing that I want to do now, we're going to bring out the icon, the address that they can reach this particular brand. Okay, let's bring out an icon, an address icon. Okay, I'm looking for, cool. Then let's reduce the size, let's make it a little. Then let's change the color to, let's change the color to white. Then bring it down. Like this. Cool. Okay, now let's bring out the address. Alright, let's just duplicate this particular text. Just duplicate it. I don't want to use another font again. Just say, let's say, next street to yours. next tree to yours. Okay, then bring it down like this, then keep it at the center alignment. Reduce the size a bit so that the space will be okay for it. Cool. Having done that, let's duplicate this again and then bring out email address so that they can even reach them at email. Let's say beauty salon. We didn't need to space this, all right? At gmail.com. Then bring it down here. Cool. Having done that, we are going to bring out a dot. Just bring out, let's just tap only three dots like this. Just bring it like this, then rotate it, turn it up like this. Cool. Then let it be at the middle of this address and email. Let it be at the middle of it like this. Then increase the size so that it can be bold. Cool. As you can see, we have done with the design. This is how you can design a roll up banner. All right, we are going to do the mock-up now, and the mock-up will be on the Pixellab as well. All right, the next thing that we're going to do now, we need to save this first. Save to our gallery. All right, just save as PNG and Ultra. Then we are going to import the mockup. Okay, just go from image. I just want to use it as a background direct. Okay, this is what I want to use. Let's uh let's just delete all this so that it will remain only that one. Let's delete all this, just delete them since you have saved them. All right, having done that, the next that I'm going to do now, we are going to bring out the design that we just that we just designed now. Of course, it should be in Pixellab, which is this. Okay, import it like this. Then we are going to make use of these tones. We are going to make use of these tones, this perspective. Okay, that is the tones that I say we are going to make use of. Then just roll it like this. I hope you see what I'm doing. Once you are here, you need to be careful, okay? Because it will comes up based on how you place it, alright? So you need to be careful so that you didn't make a mistake. Let's take this like this. Let's bring this one in, raise it up a bit so that it will be feed on it. Okay, let's check and see. Remain a little bit, let's work on the downside. Let's work on this downside. Then take this up a bit. Cool. As you can see, this is how you can make a design of be up a banner and then do the mock-up on Pixellab, and it's presentable. This is presentable. Alright guys, thanks for watching and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share the video to others so that others can benefit as you do. And please drop any challenge that you face about this video, or anything that you need help. Just drop it at the comment section. We will see you there. Let's have a little bit conversation. Of course, you need to save this. All right, just save as PNG and Ultra.